Okay, left eye low, and then I felt his atlas, there you go, being against the left side of the nervous system, high on the right. It's an atlas right superior. So then, here, if you could do that. Let's move him so we could see. Come here, Sam. And he's, Sam, I'm going to turn you around a little bit, okay, honey? There we go. He's 16, right?
Yes.
Okay, so left CP reflex should be positive. Sam, stay, honey, stay. It's pretty light. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's adjust them. Give me your Sam. I'm going to get you adjusted, okay? I'm going to get the atlas to go down and around the condyles, opening up the left side. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to flick it down and around the condyles, holding C2 stable. Okay, not using very much force. It's all direction. Give me your Sam. Oh. And you said he was a little sensitive on that side. I'm sure there's inflammation. Sweetheart. 16. Wow. Okay, one more. We're almost there. I know, a little bit, honey. Okay, feels like it. Okay, I got it. Oh, that Beagle sound. Okay, I'm going to just arch this a little bit. There you go. There you go, sweet boy. Okay, so now, how you doing, Sam? Okay, I'm going to check your CP reflex now on your left side, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get you lined up here. You ready? Let me do the right one first. Let's recheck that one. Okay, so that's normal. Whoops, let's see. Okay. That looks pretty healthy, 16 years old. Okay. Good.
Yeah, made a difference right away, huh?
And it's coming down solidly and straight down from the acetabulum, even at 16 years old.
That's great.
How about that?
Yeah.
Then,
Looks great.
okay, hold on, please. Then the weight comes back here and it's going to free up the right shoulder. Okay, and then, hang on. And then I'm going to check, okay, the right hip dropped down, sacrum is good. Then I just checked everything. I'm doing his lumbar spine. Such a good boy. Hey, 16 years old. I bet you could write a book. I bet you could. Okay, everything. There's no soreness, no trigger points. How's he doing?
Yeah, it's...
How you doing, honey? Come here. So he's not used to, so his muscles are so thin. But look at that. So every step he takes, he's going to be doing his own physiotherapy, using these muscles because he hasn't used them for a while.
Okay.
And then, good.
So
You see how wide his rear
Yeah.
legs are now?
Yeah.
And they're staying parallel.
Okay. So
Hi. Okay.
it's probably just...
So that's good.
That's great.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Okay,
So, would that be like a one-time
okay,
thing, or are we gonna
let's
do it
look
again?
at you now. Now look at his head, nice and balanced. Hey Sam, what do you think?
Yeah, it's pretty sore in there, huh?
Okay.